So this is the charging case, and the curious thing about this, it has a micro USB port right here, but the charging cable comes with a USB Type-C end as well as a micro USB, and there is absolutely no USB Type-C port inside anywhere on this case actually. So while this goes in, maybe Mobvoi was trying to solve the problem of carrying too many cables at once. So you can use this to charge this charging case as well as use this to charge your other Type-C devices probably. So yeah, it's a matte orange finish inside, and this part is rubber. So now let's look at the earphones themselves. These earphones are actually very reminiscent of the AirPods because of their angular 45-degree angled nozzles as well as their pipe style design. But they do come with silicone buds, which is unlike the AirPods, but the AirPods Pro do have silicone buds. And also these have touch controls. So the entire back, this entire region is the touch surface on both earphones, which is great. So basically the way to turn these earphones on is by opening the charging case. As soon as you do this, the earphones will turn on, and also closing it will turn it off. So each earbud here has an 85 mAh battery, while the case itself has a 700 mAh battery. So you get a total battery life of 18 hours, and 4 hours is what is on the earphones itself. So these will last for 4 hours, while these can give you say 3 or 4 additional charges, which is pretty decent in our opinion. It also comes with fast charging, and it is also IPX5 water and dust resistant according to the company. You can also download the Mobvoi app to get firmware updates for these earphones. So let's talk about the earphones themselves now. So as you know, when you pop the lid of the charging case, they turn on, and it also goes into pairing mode. So now let's look at the touch controls on these. So as you know, this entire area is the touch activated surface. So firstly, if you want to pause and play music, you press and hold the left earbud to do that. You can pause, and then pressing and holding it will play it again. Also, to activate voice assistant, you press and hold the right one, and it will activate voice assistant, which may be Siri or Google Assistant in your case. Also, double tapping the left earbud will take you to the next song, while double tapping the right earbud will take you to the previous song. The earbuds also have a unique feature which is called their tickle touch gesture. So basically you can just slide here like a slight tickle, and you lower the volume and just slide up to increase the volume. You can do this on either side. So those are the touch controls for the Mobvoi TicPods Free. So there you go guys, these were the TicPods Free True Wireless earphones. So they are actually a very feature-laden pair of earphones. They look pretty nice as well. The case is very aesthetically pleasing, and it is pretty small when it comes to standard true wireless earphones. The only gripes we have with these is that it comes with Bluetooth 4.2 instead of 5.0, and it also comes with a micro USB charger instead of a Type-C. So we'd prefer to have these features, but nevertheless these are looking to be a great pair of true wireless earphones.